Okay, to finish up this lesson, let's do cosine W, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if this is W, adjacent is square root of 19 over the hypotenuse, which is 2 square root of 11. Put that in the calculator, see if it works out. If it does, that's great. If not, then you can't have the square root of 11 on bottom, so you're going to do the bottom by square root of 11 and the top by square root of 11. 19 times 11 is 209. That is not going to simplify any because 19 is prime and 11 is prime. The square root of 11 times the square root of 11 is 11 times 2 is 22. And then, if I can squish this, tangent W equals opposite over adjacent. So I can get a better pen. Opposite over adjacent. And so opposite is 5 over the square root of 19. Again, you can't have the square root on bottom. So whatever that is, you're going to do it to the bottom and you're going to do it to the top. 5 times the square root of 19 is 5 square root of 19. The square root of 19 times the square root of 19 is 19. The 5 and the 19, 5 on the top and 19 on bottom did not reduce. So that is going to be your 3 answers. Good luck. Let me know if you need me.